This is our iconic Skin Foundation Stick. Skin Foundation Stick is designed to be swiped directly to the skin wherever you see uneven skin tone. The foundation brush is designed to blend foundation in seamlessly, but keep the coverage where you want it. And what you can see is a visible difference, how we've evened the skin tone, and because the colors are skin tone correct, they naturally brighten and lift the complexion. Start your application through the center of the face or anywhere you see more redness, more depth of color, more discoloration. After you've put that initial layer on, and you find that there might be a couple blemishes that still come through or stubborn areas, you can take a full coverage touch-up brush and you can just press and stipple the foundation right in those areas so that it's concentrated only in the areas that you need it and you're not actually placing unnecessary product everywhere you don't. The other thing I love about Skin Foundation Stick is that it has smart technology. So on the oilier parts of your skin, it'll soak up that oil. But in the areas that maybe you're a little drier, it'll offer moisture. So there it is, Skin Foundation Stick. You never see where the foundation starts and your real skin begins.